Greetings, East Central parents and families. This is Mary Ray with the ECISD Information Systems Department, and I have some information for you on how to access your students' grades. We will no longer be using the Texas Connect Parent Portal. Beginning this year, we will be using the Ascender Parent Portal. This video will show you how to access the new application for checking student attendance and grades. First, you will need to go to the district website at www.ecisd.net. Once there, you will click on the Family Resources tab. When the directory opens, you're going to scroll down until you reach the P section, and you're looking for Parent Portal Grades. Click on the link and it will take you to the Ascender Parent Portal login screen. For parents who had a Texas Connect account, you will be able to use the same login credentials to access the Ascender Parent Portal account. If you are unable to remember your username or password, you can use the links located underneath the Login button. If you did not use Texas Connect last year, you will need to create a new Ascender Parent Portal account by clicking on the Create Account tab. You will then be creating a username. Your username must be at least 6 characters long. Next, you will create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and it requires at least 3 different types of characters. You will retype your password a second time, and then you will need to enter your email address. A mobile phone number is optional. Once you have finished, you will click the Next button. In this next step, you will be selecting a security question. You can click the little arrow to open up a menu of available questions. Once you've selected your question, you'll type in your answer, and then you will click the Next button. To complete the process, simply click the Finish button. You will be taken to your new Ascender Parent Portal account. You will see a warning message telling you that you need to verify your email address. You will need to log into your email account to complete this process. This is a sample of the email that you will find. You will simply click the Validate Email button, and then you will get a message telling you that your email has been verified successfully. Click on the Return to Login button, and it will take you back to the Ascender Parent Portal login screen. Type in your username and your password and click the Login button. You will find yourself on the My Account screen. To add a student to your account, you will click on the Link to an Enrolled Student button. To add a student to your account, you must obtain the Parent Portal ID from the child's campus. This is not the same as the student ID, which is used as the lunch number. The Parent Portal ID is a 10-character code made up of letters and numbers. You will type in the code, and then you will enter the child's birthday. You must type it in exactly as shown: 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day, and 4 digits for the year. Once you have entered all of the necessary information, click the Add button, and the child's information will now appear on the Parent Portal account. Now let's take a tour of the Parent Portal platform. When you first log into your account, you are on the Summary screen. The Summary screen has a card for each student attached to your account. At the top of the page, you'll see a link for a district message. Click on the little arrow to the right, and the district message will open. Currently, the district message has information reminding you that you need to contact your child's campus to obtain their portal ID, and an explanation of grade codes that you may find on your student's account. To close the district message, simply click the little arrow again. The campus message can be opened the same way. Simply click on the little arrow, and it will expand to view any messages that your campus has posted. To select a student to view grades or attendance, simply click on the student card. An orange frame will appear around the border of the card, showing that that student has been selected. You can also see the selected student in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. If you scroll down the summary screen, you will come to the section titled Published Grades. Here you will find a link to your child's latest progress report. Click on the link to view the progress report. You will find a Print Screen button in the upper right-hand corner. Continue scrolling down the summary screen and you will come to your child's class schedule. The class schedule will include the period, the course, the instructor, the room number if applicable, the last date on which the teacher uploaded grades for that particular course, the current average for the course, and the day's absences, if any. Now let's take a look at the Attendance tab. On the Attendance screen, you can see all absences and tardies that your child has accumulated. These events are color-coded for your convenience. Our next stop will be the Grades tab. There are two options. Let's first look at the cycle and semester grades. On this screen, you will see that your child's courses are listed and the final column shows their current score for that particular course. At this time, only the traditional percentage score is showing. Programmers are working to fix the formatting so that the standards-based score will show as well. Each score is a hyperlink, and when you click on the hyperlink, it will open up a pop-up screen that will show you all assignments for that particular course. To close the pop-up screen, simply click the small arrow at the bottom of the window. Now let's take a look at the Assignments tab. On the Assignments screen, you will find a list of all assignments for all courses. The first part of the assignment is the assignment name in lowercase letters. The next part in uppercase letters shows the standard that is being assessed in the assignment. You can then see a column with the date due for each assignment, and finally the last column shows the standards-based grade and the traditional percentage. You can use the blue box to filter assignments for a particular course. Now let's take a look at the Alerts tab. The first screen that the Alerts tab opens to is the View Alerts screen. This is where you would view your alerts once you have set up the notifications. To set up your notifications, you will click the Set Alerts tab. First, you will need to choose your notification type, whether you want email or text notifications. Then you can set your attendance alerts, and if you scroll down, you then have an option to set alerts by overall course average or by individual assignment grades. The last stop on our tour will be to update your account information. You'll simply click on the avatar in the upper right-hand corner and then click the My Account tab. This will take you to the My Account screen. Here you will find a link to add another student, and if you scroll down, you will find the section where you can update your contact information or your security information. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Ascender Parent Portal. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.